Come back to my channel, the Coin Spot today's best coins one you want to miss. We're diving into the world of United State coins. Please don't skip this video, so let's get it started. The 1999 Australian $1 coin is featuring Queen Elizabeth II. A detailed, multi-paragraph overview including history, design, composition, varieties, collectibility, and how to find collector offerings, background and purpose issued by the Royal Australian Mint in Canberra in 1999. This is a circulating commemorative $1 coin marking the International Year of Older Persons, declared by the United Nations for 1999. It was the first Australian $1 issue to feature the Ian Rank Broadley IRB. Fourth portrait of Queen Elizabeth. 2. On the obverse physical characteristics and technical specs composition, aluminum bronze 92% copper, 6% aluminum, 2% nickel weight, 9.0 grams. Diameter, 25.0 millimeters. Thickness, approximately 2.5 mm, interrupted milled, 7 smooth segments. Alternating with 7 reeded segments, obverse Queen's profile facing right. Wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara, Elizabeth, to Australia, 1999, with IRB initials reverse. Stylized swirling logo of IOP on crossed branches, surrounded by text. Towards a Society for All Ages Australia. 1999 $1 International Year of Older Persons. Designed by Wojciech Petronik. Mintage and production context. Total mintage, approximately 29.2 million coins were produced, making it one of the more common commemorative $1 issues. This was one of the first circulating coins to introduce the rank broadly. Portrait in Australia. It was also included in the 1999 Boo, Brilliant, Uncirculated, and Proof Year sets, as well as Baby Koala sets, and a special dual coin pack paired with the 1999 Last Anzacs coin. Australia Post issued a PNC philatelic numismatic cover on the 11th of February 1999. Variety and die differences. There are recognizable die varieties in circulation, particularly small head and medium head, obverse varieties of the Eon rank broadly. Portrait, the small head variation with lettering farther from the remes, estimated to represent only 3.8% of coins struck. As so-called large head variety is debated. It may, in fact, be a medium variety with doubled lettering causing larger-looking text. It has not been identified on certain non-circulating designs like the Last Anzacs issue's value and collectibility in circulated condition. This coin, generally, holds face value or modest premium unless scarce variety or mint set. Ungraded, uncirculated examples may fetch slightly more. Collectors particularly prize the small head obverse variety or mint set preserved coins as Boo Proof. The Last Anzacs $1 commemorative issued the same year may attract more attention. The IYOP coin is less popular among general collectors. Related non-circulating 1999 $1 issues. While your focus is the regular IYOP coin, other 1999 $1 coins were issued. Silver Proof Majestic Images MIS .999 fine silver proof coin, 40 millimeters, diameter, weighing approximately 31.1 grams, featuring rank broadly portrait reverse. Mintage limited and targeted to collectors. Perth Mint silver kookaburra, 1 ounce bullion. The coin also carries Elizabeth II rank broadly and includes privy marks for centenary of Perth Mint. Mintage approximately 109,364 for bullion and 1,646 proofs where to find or buy this coin is common in online numismatic marketplaces and auction platforms, for example, eBay, Hobby of Kings, collector stores. For better value, consider uncirculated examples, particularly Boo and Proof sets small head variety as a collectible variety verification. Via seller photos, videos, or grading labels. Examples of listings show hollowed, centering, and original coin holders. Proof coins command higher prices. Summary. The 1999 Australian $1 IYOP coin was a widely circulated department coin commemorating the International Year of Older Persons, with the first Australian circulation appearance of the rank broadly portrait of Queen Elizabeth. 2. It carries modest intrinsic value, but holds interest for collectors in special varieties or mint set versions. Thanks for watching my videos. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.